Here we are at the last step, the assembly. It's in this workshop, equipped with different sizes of bolts and nuts, glues, mat, and a few tools that will bring each trailer to life. It takes between 8 and 10 hours to complete the assembly, following a precise order of steps and being very careful about the details. If you have chosen to match the color of the trailer with your motorcycle, we will start by adjusting the fender and frame and drilling all the holes in the fiber parts. The frame will be set aside with your name and the parts transported to the car body builder. Once the painting is done, we will proceed to the assembly and we'll do it with the greatest care not to damage the new dress of your trailer. The wiring and lights installations as well as the interior finishing are done as much as possible at the start of assembly while the trailer is at its lightest and easy to handle. Then we'll install the frame, add the crutch and the suspension and fix it to the pod. From this point, the trailer has practically reached its final weight of 65 pounds. A crucial moment arrives. When our connections are made, we check if the lights turn on. It's like a little happiness lights up as the lights turn on. We then install the cover, we adjust it, it will remain to make it a beauty. We therefore polish it and install the safety reflectors to meet Canadian security spec. I take this opportunity to give you a little tip. When the time comes to lock your trailer, pull the cover back a little bit, press to crush the gasket. The key will be much easier to turn. We do the same when unlocking. Apply a little pressure, it crushes the gasket a bit, and again it's easier to turn the key. One more thing. You can add a luggage rack and a fender trim rail to the trailer. This is done in the last step of assembly. In that case, if you have chosen not to add these items at this time, please note that this can be done anytime in the future. The big day has arrived. You are going to live with your new Armoric design trailer. When delivered, a document like this is always handed out. It contains advice and information about the trailer. Speaking of advice, always handle the trailer with 2 hands. Remember, it only has 1 wheel, so you need to help it a little to keep its balance. 1 hand on the handle here, and very important, the other hand on the top. If you have chosen to install a luggage rack, you will find it very useful as it allows you to have good control over the movement of the trailer. You can handle the trailer with some luggage inside, but it's definitely easier to handle when empty. On the delivery day, we'll give you some other tips and we'll recheck that the lights are working well. Our trailers have been designed to have the least possible impact on the handling of the motorcycle. With only 1 wheel and equipped with a rounded tire like those seen on motorcycles, the trailer will follow the motorcycle in its movements. In the curves it will lean with it, it will follow the same track, which is very important, especially in a critical moment such as an avoidance maneuver. With a weight of 65 pounds plus a maximum load of 100 pounds, you will agree with me that this meets the average weight of a passenger. The big advantage is that the weight is much lower towards the ground, meaning less impact on the handling. In fact, all owners of Armoric design trailers will tell you that we forget it's in the back since it's so light and integrated with the bike. One last thing, let's talk about the attachment part. The hitch is unique to our trailers, so if you change your motorcycle or decide to say goodbye to the trailer, this part should stay with the trailer. This is it. It completes the video we prepared for you. We hope you enjoyed it. We will be happy to meet you or see you again. Visit our website for full details of our trailer specifications, and while you're there, check out the Big Chief section. We now have a hand shifter available for Indian motorcycles. Have you seen it? It's awesome. We also invite you to follow us on social medias, and above all, do not hesitate to contact us if you have any questions or if you need the attachment part. Thank you. Goodbye.